Huawei IdeaHub is a smart endpoint that offers Ultra HD video and open applications for your conferences. It can meet smart office requirements in various scenarios, such as conference rooms, open office areas, executive offices, and home offices. It comprises intelligent functions such as handwriting recognition, perfect for a whole range of digital environments. IdeaHub can flexibly adapt to the smart education, finance, and healthcare industries. IdeaHub integrates infrared HD camera, codec, microphone array, and speakers. Elegant in its simplicity, the screen can be wall or floor-mounted in a wide range of conference rooms. Hello everyone, today I will show you our new product, IdeaHub. The product is designed with straight stretching lines of the minimalism style. The gentle jade white color and slender artistic stand arouse users' interest to use the product. In addition to the hardware design, the IdeaHub UI combines aesthetics with nature. Our design team spent half a month shooting outdoors to produce striking wallpaper options, bringing nature to users' office workspaces. The concept of simplicity, prosperity, and exquisiteness perfectly blends technology and art in the workplace. IdeaHub adopts the H.265 compression technology to deliver up to 4K resolution and supports clear, smooth up to 60 frames per second projection. Huawei IdeaHub supports 3 projection modes: IdeaShare app, and wired projection. IdeaShare that allows you to project the content on PC to IdeaHub with just one click. We also have IdeaShare app. You can download from here or search for the IdeaShare on the website, or obtain the IdeaShare app from the QR code. Install the application as instructed. The IdeaShare app is available for a PC, tablet, or mobile phone. To start up a conference, simply enter the projection code displayed on the IdeaHub. You can directly perform the shared content, such as page turning, annotation, and end PPT show on the IdeaHub, instead of on the PC or mobile devices, which increases flexibility. Whiteboard is a frequently used application in collaborative office. The writing latency is the most important factor that determines the whiteboard user experience. IdeaHub achieves 35 milliseconds ultra-low writing latency, providing users with ultimate writing experience. You can switch between writing with your hands or pens. IdeaHub supports different writing stroke effects, such as normal stroke, and Chinese calligraphy. It also allows 2 persons to write at the same time. It also supports various smart operations, such as erase using gestures, drag select operation, zoom, and clear the whiteboard with one click. Whereas conventional minute-taking relies on physical tasks or photos, IdeaHub gives you the option to send the content on your personal email. Save your content on the IdeaHub. And you can also use a USB flash drive to save the minutes. It allows you to continue to edit the minutes next time. The dual screen display helps you avoid screen switching in a conference, displaying video on the extended screen, and using IdeaHub for interactive collaboration. For medium or large-sized conference rooms, the dual-screen clone copies your content on the IdeaHub to the extended screen, ensuring that all participants can view the content from any angle. IdeaHub offers quality telepresence conferencing under the on-premises scenarios, adopting the H.265 codec protocol, shared bandwidth, and Huawei intelligent rate control technology, which ensures full HD video and 4K data sharing. It also supports full-band lossless coverage of audio at a sampling rate of 48 kHz, all running at low bandwidth. During the conference, you can share content with remote colleagues without worrying about distance restrictions. IdeaHub allows you to share whiteboard content to remote sites in real time, achieving bi-directional collaboration. With the speaker tracking function, the speaker is always in the middle of the screen. With auto-framing, IdeaHub automatically adjusts its camera based on the number and positions of participants to give you an optimal panoramic view. IdeaHub supports flexible video layout based on SVC multi-stream technology. During the conference, you can switch between the main and sub-video panes with one drag, or double-click a video pane to view it in full screen. And you can choose Presenter View, Picture-in-Picture View, or Gallery View. IdeaHub is pre-installed with frequently used Office apps, such as browsers, which allows you to search for information at any time and make annotations. In addition, IdeaHub also features a built-in Huawei AppGallery, covering Office, news, and video recording. IdeaHub provides a customizable homepage where you can add or remove frequently used apps. Connect to OPS computer when you need to run large-scale Windows Office applications for dual system switchover. Ideal for conference rooms and mobile office scenarios. Huawei IdeaHub is combined with third-party conference platforms such as Zoom, WebEx, and Teams. provides reliable collaboration for internal departments and even across enterprises. IdeaHub has much more to offer. When a customer visits, a warm greeting is the beginning of a pleasant cooperation. You can select a welcome page template and customize on demand. For example, change the font size, content, and position of the welcome page. IdeaHub also supports bulletin board to share information in real time. The bulletin board gives you a platform to release various types of information, including corporate culture, operation instructions, administrative services, and welcome speeches. The non-metal parts of the exterior of IdeaHub use the VE flame retardant material. What's more, this product is equipped with an embedded encryption chip that supports H.235 status, TLS, SRTP encryption, ensuring secure and stable running of the video conferencing system. In addition, HTTPS channel is used for transmission, and a reversible encryption algorithm is adopted for the storage of email account, AI processing data, and data sharing, ensuring high security of your data. IdeaHub also provides comprehensive security assurance throughout the life cycle for the operating system, network layer, sensitive data, and more. The IdeaHub series comprise two main products, IdeaHub Pro and IdeaHub S, that all are available in 65 and 86-inch models. IdeaHub integrates smart projection, superb interactive whiteboard collaboration, telepresence conferencing in an open, secure display. For enterprises, IdeaHub can be deployed on-premises to support cutting-edge telepresence conferencing, pervasive intelligence, and efficient collaboration, and is available for those even on a budget. See how Huawei IdeaHub can supercharge your conferences today.